I'm not usually a fan of riding in the backseat, but in this car, being a passenger is a delight. Designers, engineers, top-tier attention to all the details. This is premium comfort. And you know what? That's kind of how we came up with the idea for the latest upgrade to our trading. You know, there is a website called MyFXBook that has public data on all the most profitable accounts, crushing it in the market. What if we took the top 300 most profitable accounts, analyzed their every move, and taught an AI to trade like the pro? We create an auto trading bot that mimics the best traders' method. And now let's head to the studio. We've got something to show you. Picture this, an auto trading bot that doesn't just follow trends, it thinks like the top performers. Sounds exciting, right? This is just the beginning. Make sure you're subscribed and have notifications on so you won't miss a thing. Hey everyone, Jake here, Forex trader with 10 years of experience, AI enthusiast and co-founder of EA Automatic. For over 6 months, my team and I have been working on a game-changing project for trading. We invested tens of thousands of dollars, involved over 50 pro traders as consultants, built a team of 8 developers, ran hundreds of hours of testing, and now the day has come to reveal what we've accomplished. I'm about to show you 4 real-life examples of the bot in action, navigating through both wild, high-stress markets and more stable conditions. But first, a little background. I've been trading for half my life, growing a solid portfolio along the way. When AI started shaking up industries, my team and I thought, why not trading? Our first AI trading bot was born, and maybe some of you even gave it a shot. But today, we're talking version 3.0. Bigger, smarter, better. Here's what makes it special. We analyzed 300 public accounts on MyFXBook and TradingView, focusing on the most profitable ones. While some data was easy to get, for the rest, I had to hustle. DMs, emails, calls. Some traders were chill and loved the idea. Others, let's just say, got interested. After weeks of work, we fed thousands of data points into our AI. Now the bot trades like a top pro at the peak of their game. What's more, it's not locked into one strategy. Scalping, day trading, reversals, breakout trading, you name it. The bot adapts to the market, shifting gears like a pro racer. And the best part, you can try it for free. That's right, no cost, no catch. We're just looking for real-world feedback. Hit the Telegram link in the description, follow the setup, and start trading smarter. Now let's set the bot in action. For this demo, I choose a crazy market week, October 30 to November 6. Remember the chaos of the US elections? Let's see how the bot handled it. So now, we're in the personal account. We kicked off with a 10,000 deposit. Let's take a look at how it changed over the course of the week. First, let's check out the main euro-US dollar pair. The euro spiked when news broke that Kamala Harris was leading the presidential race, sending the dollar tumbling. Then boom, Trump called back key states and the euro took a 2.3k pip dive. Insane, very unusual level of volatility for this pair. So how did the bot react? It found the reversal point, locked in profits, and handled the chaos like a champ. Next drawdown hit 16%. But we finished the week with a solid 4% gain. Here's the brilliance. In high volatility markets, the bot adjusts on the fly, setting a wider stop loss and take profit levels to minimize risk and secure gains. It analyzes historical data, spots key turning points, and closes trades with a profit. What about other pairs? The pair Euro-Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar's performance closely mirrors the US dollar. Early in the session, the euro strengthened as Harris' lead pushed investors to shed Canadian dollars. But by November 6, Trump's resurgence caused a market reversal. The bot quickly adapted, wrapping up the week with a $400 profit, 4% of the deposit, after a small stop loss of just $11. Once again, it navigated the high volatility with ease, keeping maximum drawdown at a low 14%. That said, we always recommend a disciplined approach, steady gradual growth. For more profitable strategies, bankroll management, and fine-tuning, join our Telegram channel, link in the description. Now let's move on to the Swiss franc USD pair. Once again, we see a bullish trend fueled by the same election drama. Initial market hesitation was followed by a sudden upward spike, sending the chart skyrocketing. For the bot, United States dollar and Swiss franc presented a unique challenge due to its extreme volatility, but once again, it delivered. A 1.5 pip rarely translated into $310 in profit. Late week losses of $120 trimmed the gain slightly, but we still ended up with a 3.1% profit. The drawdown, just over 10%, a manageable level for such turbulent conditions. Well, let's take a look at the next pair. Finally, let's examine a pair less tied to United States politics, unlike the previous examples. British pound, Japanese yen's behavior is largely influenced by domestic factors, making it a true test for our bot. So what do we see after a week? Large swings, and when handled correctly, significant profit. The bot navigated this well, earning us 11% or $1,100 in profit. A solid result, but remember the golden rule of investing. High rewards come with high risk. The bot performed well this time, but when AI lacks clarity, a mathematical fallback model kicks in. So now, looking at the bigger picture, across all pairs, the bot proved its adaptability in varying market conditions. The results? Steady profits on Euro, United States dollar, Euro, Canadian dollar, and United States dollar and Swiss franc. A high risk, high reward trade on British pound and Japanese yen that paid off big time. This isn't about chasing unrealistic gains. It's about sustainable growth, informed decisions, and leveraging AI to trade smarter. Want to learn more? Join our Telegram channel for detailed guides, risk management tips, and insights into how you can optimize your trading strategies with AI. Trading isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth step by step, and our bot is here to help you every step of the way. All right, let's recap. That week, we pulled in $2,210. Now, some might think that's not enough zeros, and that's cool. If you're chasing wild promises of 300% in 3 days, you're gonna wanna look elsewhere. We're not here to sell you fairy tales. We're here for real, sustainable gains. If you're serious about trading, if you get the magic of compound interest, come join us on Telegram. You'll get guidance, updates, and strategies for AI-powered trading. Link in the description. As for our bot, no, we're not promising 100% a day. But as you just saw, 25 to 30% a month, totally doable. Compound that, and we're talking 900% a year. Want to dive deeper into compounding? Hit the comments and we'll make a video breaking all down. And that's a wrap. Version 3.0 is officially here. Time to kick back and relax. So we are off to fire up the grill. Catch you in the next one. Take care.